Procurement is a software application for procurement interface management. In this short video, you'll learn how to get started. This software application platform is a software as a service for technical and commercial teams to work together with vendors via the features available on procurement that enable them to connect and communicate with each other efficiently within a scheduled, interactive, and visual workplace. This workplace can be created for every RFQ, or request for quotation, by using procurement, which takes out the complexity of interpersonal procurement-related interfaces currently managed by phone calls, emails, messages, out-of-office personnel, to name a few instances. Procurement creates a workplace that engages the required personnel by simplifying the interfaces and ensuring collaboration across the organization. The back end of the system is managed by your company admin, who quite simply sets up the organization and other key aspects of the procurement cycle, thus providing a framework for the users operating the front end of the system. On the front end of the system, every RFQ initiator will very simply use drop-down selections to call upon the applicable personnel to perform their duties in every RFQ process and through its lifecycle respectively in a 13-stage or less workflow. Every stage has nominated personnel who can accept to move it to the next stage or return it back to the previous stage with comments. Both the back end and the front end operate over a web-based SaaS platform hosted over the Microsoft Azure cloud. Procurement has been built from the ground with a centralized focus on achieving efficiency and swift workflow in every procurement cycle. Think of it as the front end of your ERP solution simplified with drop-down interfaces. We don't just want you to have a software application that manages your interface workflow. We want you to experience the powerful and dynamic usage of this application. A complete software suite built with attention to detail for your every interface management need. In its simplest form, procurement boils down to 4 core features. Simplicity, a straightforward and easy-to-use interface so you can finish the tasks hassle-free. Collaborative, the hierarchy of the process is such that each person can be assigned a specific delegated role which reduces errors and delays, and streamlines the interface process. Cost-efficient. Procurement is the only software application that provides value to the customer at the lowest cost per user. Analytics. Procurement saves every RFQ data for future references, so you can analyze and review the data and achieve the best possible outcome and ROI in your future interface cycles. The data can also be used by newer personnel joining the organization for references, which improves the skills and knowledge across your organization. The hierarchy of the system starts with the company admin, who manages the back end of the system, sets up the organization, and assigns delegated roles to specific personnel involved in every interface process and for every category required respectively. Then comes the admin user, who support the company admin in managing the process, followed by the users who on the front end initiate every single interface as required to be executed. Procurement is a cloud-based application and highly secure as it is built on the Microsoft Azure cloud service. So you can access it from any device anywhere, be it from your desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. If it was necessary to have a license to deploy it on your organization's server, this could be coded subject to your requirements. In the next video, we'll take a look at the login screen and see how the company admin interface is managed and set up.